Hey guys, Liam from Killer Ink, and today I'm going to be showing you the Thomas Carli Jarlier Noire Ink Set from World Famous Limitless. So let's take a closer look. The Noire Ink Set has been designed by World Famous Ink Pro Team member Thomas Carli Jarlier and is named after his renowned tattoo studios, one of which is in London, UK, and the other in Clermont-Ferrand, France. This ink set joins World Famous's latest EU REACH compliant Limitless range and consists of the following colours: Obsidian outlining, Noire wash, Dark Grey, Grey 1, Light Grey, and Mix and White. The Noire Ink Set is the exact palette used by Thomas Carli Jarlier for his tattoos, with the idea of the set to be able to work with two different tones of greys with minimum dilution for long-lasting work. Thomas not only uses these World Famous Limitless inks and grey washes for black and dark greys, but also for texture. The grey colours are used for saturation and to bring the smoothness into his masterful work. As with other inks from the World Famous Limitless range, all colours in the Noire Ink Set are vegan friendly and contain research-driven formulations that will fly into the skin with ease. Made in the USA, the Noire ink colours from World Famous Limitless and Thomas Carli Jarlier are available in 30ml bottles and can be ordered individually or as a complete set from Killer Ink via the link in the description below. So what do you think of these World Famous Limitless inks? Will you be trying them out for your black and grey realism work? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.